Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to search for a specific channel on YouTube. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. If you know the name of the channel, you can directly enter the name of the channel in the search bar and hit search. The channel you are looking for is shown right away. In case if you don't know the name of the channel, just enter the keyword related to the channel and hit search. Now click the filter icon in the top right corner of the page. Under Type section, select Channels. All the channels related to the keyword is shown. Under the name of the channel, you can find number of people subscribed to this channel. Now scroll through the list to find the channel that you are looking for. As you can see, we have found the channel that we are looking for. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any updates from this channel. This is how you can search for a specific channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.